Moto2 star Ai Ogura has been officially confirmed as moving to Motogp next season with Trackhouse Aprilia. The Japanese, 23, is currently second in the Moto2 standings behind MT Helmet's Sai Bosco Scuro teammate Sergio Garcia. While Ogura has often been linked with the Idemitsu-backed LCR Honda of Takoki Nakagami, he moved into contention for the Aprilia ride during the summer break. That also meant fighting off competition from the likes of American star and fellow Moto2 race winner Joe Roberts. Ogura, who has signed an initial 2-year deal, will join current Trackhouse rider Will Fernandez at the American team next year, with Miguel Oliveira expected to move to the new Pramac Yamaha project. Both Ogura and Fernandez will ride current factory specification Trackhouse Aprilia RSGP bikes, which the team confirmed 2025 factory bikes. First, I would like to say thanks to all the people who are part of this project and everybody who supported me, Ogura said. Of course, this is the dream. The final step to take. Motogp is the maximum level you can have, so I'm obviously really happy to make it there. I'm very happy to be able to race in the top class, and I can't wait to do it together with Trackhouse Racing Motogp team. I can see that the team is really competitive and the bike is very strong, and as a rider my job is doing what I can with everything I have. It's always the same mentality, but I'm very happy to be part of Trackhouse and make this step up to Motogp with them. I'm just looking forward to start 2025. Now I have to think about the Moto2 World Championship. I'll try to finish this year the best way I can and arrive well prepared in 2025. Thank you everybody and see you next year. Ogura is the third new rider joining Aprilia next season, with Jorge Martin and Marco Bezzecchi forming an all-new factory team lineup. He is also the second Moto2 rider confirmed as moving up to Motogp, with Fermin Aldiga signed at Ducati and set to be placed at Gresini. Ogura's friend and former teammate Somkiat Chantra could make it 3 rookies on next year's Motogp grid, should he be picked over Nakagami at LCR.